Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In a previous class we have learned about the decimals, is it? Like decimal and unlike decimals. How can you change from like decimal to unlike decimal and unlike decimal to like decimal, and also we have learned the conversion of like decimal or unlike decimal to the fraction and fraction to the decimal also we have learned. So I hope you all understood the previous concept. Today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of decimals. How can you add? Everyone know, is it? So whole number is given, you have add the first ones digit, after add this tens digit. Okay, the same procedure we have used the decimal also. See the example, well understand. Okay, for well understand, see the example. Add 3.85 and 2.5. Okay, here these two decimals are unlike decimals. These two are unlike decimals. So first we have changed to the like decimals. Okay, first convert the like decimals. This is the first step. Okay, so convert into like decimals. Okay, so first one, so like decimal, how can you change? So add at the right side of, add zeros in the right side of the decimal places, right side of the decimal places. So here 100 places are there, so need not to add. So 3.85 and next one of the decimal, so you have considered the same one, 3.85. Okay, and second one 2.5. Okay, here only 10th place are there, so you have added 0 in the 100th place. Now we get the like decimals. If you want, you will put the column. Okay, need not put the column. One problem you will do like this. Okay, 2.50. Okay, right. Now as usual addition. Okay, start from the ones. Here 100th place. From the any addition or subtraction, start from the right side. Okay, so first calculate the fractional part, that is a decimal part. So add 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, so remaining 1, so 3, 4 plus 2, 6, so 6.35. so the sum of these two decimals, 3.85 plus 2.5 is equal to 6.35 is the answer for this problem. Okay, and next one, example. So what is the first step? First we have to change the unlike decimal to the like decimals. Okay, right. The next one, subtraction. Subtract 41.715 from 63.2. See the example 10, subtract 41.715 from 63.2. So first subtracted from this one. So first change that. Solution. Converting into like decimals. Okay, so 63.2, another one 41.715. How can you convert? Here 1000th place are given, 1000th place. So we have added 2 zeros in the first decimal number. So 63.200. Here 41.715. Which operation? Subtraction. Need not to put the column table. Okay, right. As usual calculation, it's not possible to subtract. So borrow from here. So 1, here 9, 10. Okay, 5, 8, here 1. 1 is possible to subtract from 1. 1 is there. It's not possible to subtract from 1 to 7. Okay, so borrow from here. So 2, here 1. Okay, so 11 minus 7, 4, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. So answer for this problem 21.485. Okay, that's it. Finally you have write the answer 63.2 minus 41.715 equal to 21.485. Okay, right. And now the example 11. Add 41.8, 39.24, 5.01 and 62.6. 62.6. Okay, right. Add. What is given? Add. So check the decimal places. Okay, so unlike decimals are given, first you have converted into the like decimals. Like decimals. Okay, so first one 41.8, second one 39.24, and then 5.01 and 62.6. Convert the like terms. So highest decimal place value was 100th only. So we have added 0 in the right side of the decimal number. Here 1 0 we have added. Okay, so 41.80, and second one 39.24, and third one 5.01, and fourth one 62.60. Right? Addition is given. Plus, now add 4 plus 1, 5. Here 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Carry forward 1 into the 100th place. That is a whole number part. Okay. So 1 plus 1, 2, 11, 16, 18. Remaining 1, 5, 8, 6, 14. Okay, so sum of these values 41.8 plus 39.24 plus 5.01 plus 62.6 is equal to 148.65. Okay, I hope you are understood this concept. Now move to that another one of the example related to the decimal in word problem. Okay, see the example 12. Suraj got rupees 15.50. So in rupees 15.50, need not read like that. Okay, pies, 50 pies. Okay, 15 rupees 50 pies from his mother and rupees 30 and 5 pies from his father. Okay, so Suraj வந்து அவங்க மதர்கிட்ட இருந்து எவ்வளோ வாங்கியிருக்காமா 15 rupees 50 pies and then fatherகிட்ட இருந்து 30 rupees 5 pies. How much money did he get? அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ மொத்தம் வாங்கியிருப்பான் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ வாட் we do, just add, addition. Okay, the problem solution. Money received from mother. Then and next money received from father. How many rupees from mother? Rupees 50 pies. And from the father, rupees 30 5 pies. Okay, we want to find out the how much money did he get. So total money, total he got, add these two values. Which operation doing in this place? Addition. Okay, so add 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 3 4. So totally that boy got rupees 45 rupees 55 pies. Okay, right. And see the next one of the example 13. The sum of two number is 100. Sum of two number is 100 if one of them is 78.67. Find the other. So two number total value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதுல one number is given. So we have to find out the another one of the number. Given a sum of two number, sum of two number is equal to 100. Okay, right. Okay, why do you put after the decimal point 20? The next one of that number is 78.67 is given. Okay, so I have write in the like decimals for our calculation. Okay, so sum of two number is equal to 100. After the decimal point 0 is not valid. Okay, right. And one number, what is the one number? The one number is 78.67. You have to find out the another number. Okay, we have find out the another number. So sum of two numbers means, let's consider A and B are two numbers. Okay, now one number B we have considered A. Okay, you have find out the B. So according to the statement, what is the statement? The sum of the number. Sum of the number means A plus B equal to 100.00. Okay, and B is equal to A. What is the value of A? 78.67 plus 6 plus B is equal to 100.00. So B is equal to, move to that side, subtraction. Okay, So addition, move to that side, subtraction, okay, by using the transpose method. So 78, okay, you will write one step, 100 minus 78.67. So how can you write in the column? Column you have calculate. Ten, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 3, 3, 1, 2. So what is the answer for the another one of the number? 21 point. So thus B is equal to 21.33. Thus another number B is equal to 21.33. Okay, that's it. Now move to the exercise 7.3. The first one, add the following. So first 4 is very easiest one. 2 decimals are given. We will do the homework. I will do the E problem. Okay. So 251.08 plus 39.59. That is the first one. And second one, F problem. 7.9 plus 2.58 plus 4.6. And G, 17.8 plus 35.52 plus 1.5. And then H, 87.095 plus 32.87. Okay, these values are given. Solution. First check the given decimals are like decimals or unlike decimals. See here the number of decimals places are 2. Here also 2 decimal places. Therefore the given decimals are like decimals. So directly we have added. So 251.08 and 39.59. Okay, add these two values. 17. Here put the symbol sign. Okay, which operation you have specified in this place. Okay, so 8 plus 9, 17. 6, 10, 9, 2. So answer for this problem is 290.67. You will write like this answer. 251.08 plus 39.59 is equal to 290.67. Will write the end of the problem answer like this. Okay, and next one of the solution. Add here, check the given decimals are like or unlike. Here unlike decimals are given. So converting into like decimals. Okay, so 7.9, second one 2.58 and 4.6. Convert after calculate. Okay, so highest decimal place value is 100. So we have added the right side of the decimal place 10. We have added 10 in the right side of the decimal place. So 7.90. And second one already in the 100th place, and third one 4.60. Now add 8, okay, 14, 20, 9, 11, 15. So I will write the answer for like this in this place also. Okay, right. And next one, solution. Check the decimal place. Here also given unlike decimals. So converting into like decimals. So 17.8, 35.52 and 1.5. So 17.8, the highest decimal place value is 100. So 10 added in the right side of the given decimal. So 35.52 and 1.50. Okay, now we got the like decimals. In this place also we have added zeros. Okay. Right. 2 here, 8 plus 5, 13, 18. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13, 14 and then 5. Answer you will write. Okay, the given statement, write. You should write this like this. Okay, write the given statement, after equal to write 1. Okay, and next one, converting into like decimal, because here also given the unlike decimals. Okay, so first one 87.095. okay, and second one 32.87, 87.095 and second one 32.870. Why do you add here 0? The highest decimal place value is 1000. Here 100th place only there, so we have added 0 in the right side of the decimal value. Okay, so 5, add the values 5 and then 16, 9, 11. Okay, that's it. Answer. Is equal to 119.965. Okay, right. Next is subtraction. I hope you are all do that subtraction fully. Okay, now move to the simplify the following. Third one, simplify the following. Simplify the following. The first A to F homework, start from G. 62.621 plus 626.21 minus 626.12. Okay, right. First add these two values. Okay, first find out the value of sum of these two values. Okay, solution. First check the decimal places. The given data in the like decimal or unlike decimal. First we have checked. Okay, so check that here 3 decimal places, here 2 decimal places, here also having the 2 decimal places. So unlike decimals are given, you have find out the like decimals. So converting into like decimals, okay, so 62.621. so the highest decimal place value is 1000, is it? 1000 is the highest decimal place value. So second one 626.21. first convert 62.621 and next one 626.21 0.21. 100th place only there. We need the 1000th place. So we have added 0 from the in the right side. Okay. Right. Now add 1, 3, 8, 8, 8, 6. Okay. And next one, which operation is given? Subtraction. Okay. So that is 626.12 is given. Okay. 12 is given. So first we have changed to the like decimals. So 626.120. Okay. Which operation doing here? Subtraction. Okay. Subtract 1, 1, 7. Put the decimal. Write the proper column. Okay. Right. 8, 2. Okay. 8 minus 2. 6. Here 0. What we get finally? 62.711. 711. Write this question equal to write the answer. Okay. Done. And next one, G after F. F, G, H. F is a homework. Okay. G after H1. 48 minus 35.098 plus 12.37. 12.37. Okay, first check the decimal places. The highest decimal place value is 1000. Okay, so given decimals are in unlike decimals, convert into the like decimals. Okay, solution 48 can written as 48 point, how many decimal places are there? 1000th place. So how many zeros added in the right side? 3 zeros. Okay, and next one 35.098. 35.098. Which operation is given? Subtract. Borrow from here. Okay, everyone know. Okay, so 10, 2, 0, 9, 2, 1. Now we have considered the next one of the decimal value. 12.37 is given. Okay, so 12.370 after add 2, 7, 12. So 25.272. Now move to the next one. HI 83.175 plus 293.1 minus 138.34. Okay, solution. First check the decimal place values. The given decimals are in unlike decimals. So converting into like decimals. Okay. So first one of the decimal value 83.175. The maximum value of the decimal place is 1000th. Okay. So we have added in the right side of the decimal with 2 zeros. Okay. 293.1. So 83.175. And second one 293.1. How many zeros we have added? 2 zeros. And first calculate this value. Which operation is given? Plus value is given. Okay, first calculate 5, 7, 2 and 6, 17. Okay, and next we have subtract the value 338.34. Okay, 138.340 is subtraction. Okay, right. Subtract 5, 3, it's not possible, borrow from here, so 5, 12, 9, okay, it's also not possible, so 15 minus 8, 7, here 6, okay, 3, 2. So answer for this problem 237.935. Now move to the J problem. $512.38 plus 38.195 minus 400.25. So first we have checked the given decimals are like decimals or like unlike decimals. Unlike decimals are given, so we have to find out the like decimals. So converting into like decimals, converting into like decimals. For 512.38 and 38.195. okay, so first convert to the like decimals. The highest decimal place value is 1000. Here 100 place only there, so we have added in right side of the decimal with 0. So 512.38 added 0, and next one 195, which operation? Addition. Add 5, 7, 5, okay, 0, 5, 5. Now subtract the value 400.25. First change to the like decimals. So 400.250. Which operation doing here? Subtraction. So 5, 2, 3, 0, 5, 1. Answer for this problem is 150.325. okay, I hope you are understood this concept. Now move to the word problem. And fourth one, what should be added to 4.475 to get 10? What should be added to 4.475 to get? So given according to the statement or condition, let the number be x. So added with x plus 4.475, okay, is equal to, we get 10. Okay, according to the statement, this number added to this, we get this number. Find that number. Okay, so first we have write in the like decimals. Here the whole number only given. Okay, you have write. I will write in the next one. So x is equal to, x is the number. Okay, that unknown number. So x equal to 10. How many decimal place values are there? 3 decimal place values. The highest decimal place value is 1000. So we have added right side in 3 zeros. After, so move to this side. Okay, subtraction. Subtract. Write 4.475. Okay, subtract from this. It's not possible. So 9. Okay, so 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 4, 2, and 9 minus 4, 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5. So answer for this problem 5.525 is the answer. Okay, thus the number is as the number is 5.525. Okay, that's it. And fifth one, what should be subtracted from 102.55 to get the greatest two-digit number? So what is the greatest two-digit number? 99. Okay, the same method here, give it subtraction. Okay, given the greatest two-digit number is 99. Okay, according to the condition, let x be the number. So x subtracted from, yes, what should be subtracted from? So 102.55 minus x is equal to 99. So minus x equal to 99. Okay, minus 102.55. So first subtract 102.55 by 99. So first change the like decimals. Subtract 5 is not possible. 12. So 3 here, 9 only. So answer for this problem 0.03.55. Okay, so greatest number sign is minus. So minus minus plus. So x equal to 3.55. Thus the number is 3.55. Right. And sixth one, subtract the sum of two decimals values as given from 100. Okay, see, subtract sum of, first you have find out the sum of 1.008 and 93.54. So convert the like decimals. Okay, convert into the like decimals. So add means subtract, add means add, plus. Okay, so 845.49, that's it. Okay, so sum of, and subtract from 100, subtract from 100. So first write in the like decimals, convert into the like decimals. Okay, how many zeros? 3 zeros added because the decimal place value is 1000. So 94,548. Subtract 10, 2. Here 9, here 9, here also 9, here also 9. Okay, so 9 minus 4, 5, 4, 5, 0. So answer for this problem 5.452. Okay, so 7, 8, 9 is homework. The same method is given. Okay, do the homework. And 10 to 1, subtract the difference of, have to find out difference. The same method, first here find out the sum value after subtracted from the 100, and next one first to find out the difference after add the statement. Okay, right. 10 to 1, subtract the difference. Solution, difference we have to find out. Okay, first we have find out the difference of, which are the numbers? 68.01 and 58.6. So these are the unlike decimals. So first change to the like decimal. 68.01. Here the highest decimal place value is 100. So you have added 1 0 in the right side. In the second decimal value, subtract. Difference means subtract. Okay. Sum means addition. So subtract is not possible. So borrow from here. 4, 7. Not subtracted to the 8. So borrow from here. 17. 17, 8, 9. Okay. So difference of these two decimal number is 9.41. After we have to find out from their sum. Okay. Subtract the difference. First we have to find out the difference from their sum. So first we have find out the difference. Next in sum value we have find out for these two numbers. So sum of 68.1 into 58.6. So add the values 68.01, 58.60. Add 1, 6, 16, 7, 12. 126.61. Okay. Subtract the difference from the difference இதில் இருந்து என்ன செய்யணுமா subtract பண்ணணும். Well read the question first. Okay. நல்லா read பண்ணிட்டு after calculate. Now subtract the what is given the statement, subtract the difference from the sum of the values. Okay. According to the condition, subtract from this one, is it? So 126.61. Okay. To which one? 9.41. Which operation? Subtraction. So 0, 2 is not possible. 16. Okay. 7. So 111.20. That's it. And 11th one, a tanker of oil has a capacity of 820 liter. 820 liters. 2 drums of 247.75 liter and 350.50 liter capacity are filled with oil from the tanker. Find the quantity of oil left in the tanker. So what we do? First we have add the given 2 drums values. Okay. Total capacity of 2 drums. What are the 247.75 liter, and next one the given 2 statement in like decimals. Okay, so need not to change to like decimal. The given statement is correctly given. Okay, now just add these two values. What we get? Why do you add? The total capacity of 2 drums of liters, liter 5, 2, 8, 9, 5. Okay, 598.85 liter. Okay, the tanker of oil has a capacity of 820 liter. Given a tanker of oil has a capacity of 820 liter. What we find out? Find the quantity of oil left in the tanker. So remaining எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத question. Okay மாமா? Oil left in a tanker is equal to 820.85 How many decimal place values here? 100. So you have added 2 zeros. Okay. Subtract the total capacity. 2 drum equal to 598.25 liter. Subtract what we get. 5 barrow 10 9 9 here 1. Okay, so 10 minus 5 5. Okay, 9 minus 2 7. Here 9 minus 8 1. So 1 is not possible to subtract. So borrow from here 11. 2 7 minus 5 2. Thus the tanker the lift of the oil. Okay, thus oil lift in the tanker is equal to 221.75 liter. Okay, that's it. So remaining problems homework, I will write the homework. First one E2 A2 D. Second one fully. Third A2F 7 8 9. Okay, these are the homework. I hope you are understood this concept. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.